Hey, welcome to Morning Coach. As always, we got a fun one today. They are starting to deliver the Plaud NotePin. As you know, I use the Plod on the back of my phone. It's a recorder that hooks up to AI and allows me to do my notes. And they have come up with this new one, which you put on your wristband, you can clip it, or you can put it on a lanyard. Came in a really cool little package, right? So let's get into it. Let's take a look at this. And I'm anxious to see how the software is going to work. If it's going to work with the Plod, as I have both of them, and how it's going to determine what to use. If you're watching this, basically it's kind of an AI recorder that you use to record. So, okay, here we go. Here's the box. Packaging is getting to be a lot better in a lot of these devices. And let's see what we got. We'll open that up and we will pull this out here. And we got two boxes. Okay, so it comes in two boxes. And this is actually your wearable AI memory capsule Plaud NotePin bundle, just so you know. So in here we have the NotePin. Let's take a look at this one first. Let's go ahead and get that box open. And there it is, the little NotePin. And it is kind of small. Look at that thing. It is tiny. Put it up here in this camera. It's tiny. So I have a feeling I'll wear it around my neck because I don't wear a necklace. I have so much stuff on my wrists already. But I may. Oh, it's magnetic too. You can see that. In here we have a charger, which is nice to see. It's USB-C. And then we have the little case that it looks like it goes in there to charge, right? So we have a little charger case and it's magnetic. So that comes here. We have some documentation in here where it tells you kind of how to wear it, the clip, or you can pin it to your clothes with the magnet. There's a magnet you can wear the lanyard, or you can wear it on a clip, okay? So again, you're pressing this to record, and it's just gonna record and allow you, there, ooh, it buzzed. It's actually recording right now. And then it's gonna record, and then it hooks up to your app on your phone, and then it goes to ChatGPT. Let's take a look at the other box as we get this out. Okay, what do we got in here? We have some cool little accessories. This is, I'm gonna assume, the wristband. Nope, this is the lanyard. Okay, so here's this. Okay, which you wear around your neck, okay? And then we have this is the clip, okay, which allows you to clip it on things, okay? So that's the clip. And then this would be the wristband, I assume. So let's take it out of the box. I guess it'd be nice if I kept it under the camera, right? Let's get it out of here. All right, so there it is, coming out. Get out of there. It does not want to get out of there. Let's just get the box open. Oh, it's in a bag. That's why. It's in a bag. See that? It's in a bag. Things are sticking, magnets all over the place. So it's got a little silicone wristband that you can wear. You see how that? So all I need is another thing for my wrist. So I guess you put this on and you're good to go. So then you'd wear it around your wrist. Okay, so that's the Plod. Oh, and it's magnetic too. It's magnetic too, so it would be like that. I might try that. It's just hard. I run so much and have so much going on that it's tough. I have a feeling that I'll just be wearing it around my neck, and we'll use this for that, which you just put it through here, I believe. We'll look at the directions, okay? So there's the Plod, okay, so we've got it. Now, what does it say to do to connect to the system? That's what I want to do. So that we have the record button, indicator light, microphone, lanyard slot, charging port. So that's all on here. And then if we take this off, let's take this off. I guess that's supposed to come off. We can get into the device. I don't know, maybe. Oh, duh. There. Oh, wow. Okay, so see that? That has a little magnetic back there. So that way, okay, if you put it on here, look, I can just put it on and wear it like that. That's where that is. Okay, that's cool. All right, so let me get it set up with I'm gonna get it charged up, let it get it set up, and let's just do a quick test. As you know, like I said, I've been using the Plod, so it's basically, I'm sure it's the same thing. That what we're gonna do is, we'll hook it up we'll add a device, right? And then I'm sure it's going to work the same. But we'll test it just to see if it connects. Yeah, I'm sure. So it's searching for a device there. Duh. We just do this, right? It's working. Okay, so let's connect. Man, it's super easy. I'm going to put this right here so you can see that. I don't even need instructions. Who needs instructions? Okay, there we go. There it is. Okay, 6 months free of the free membership. Okay, and then get started. Okay, so there we are. Okay, so there's the Plaud NotePin. So let's test it. Let's go ahead and connect. Let's see, I think you just press it, they said. Let's see, where do you press it? Check, check, 1, 2. I think you press it right here. Oh, there it goes, there it goes. Okay, it's recording, little red dot on it. It's recording right now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a test. Hey, this is a test of the NotePin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then you press it. I gotta figure out the press, because I did feel a little vibration. Where do you press that thing? Oh, there you go, right in the middle. Okay, I got it. So now it's fast transferring it in. Okay, there it is. We're gonna generate the autopilot, which is just general notes, and it is transcribing it. So it works the same as it does. Okay, the button press is right in the middle, right in the middle. So it's generating the summary as it goes to ChatGPT. So that's how it works. That's how it works. And so let's see, there it is. Okay, so we got the notes in here, and the notes say initial setup is good, speaking is confirmed, and it gives me the transcriptions and my notes. And by the way, I'll go over this. We'll do another video because I just want to get this unboxed, but there are different ways that you can utilize the transcript, and you can do different things so that you can write, different things that, different ways that it creates the notes. And we'll do a full review on that. Right now, I just want to get this unboxed and open. I'm going to get it set up. I'm going to get it charged, and then we'll come back and do a full review. But that's the unboxing of the NotePin, tiny little device, which is great to get us organized, to get us rolling, and to use notes. So now I have the Plod on the back. So if I disconnect this, and the battery's medium there, let me see. If I disconnect this, okay, the NotePin, and I want to connect my, let's see if I can connect my Plod. Yeah, okay, so there it goes. So I can connect my Plod, or I connect my NotePin, get my notes from either of the devices, so that tends to be working good. Okay, any questions about this for my full review, please leave them down below, and that way we can discuss the NotePin or the Plod and how it works. As of right now, you can't combine notes. I know that's a question I'll get. Right now, I just take notes, I bring it in and take it to my Apple Notes, but you can't combine notes at this time. I don't know if they're working on that, but I will keep you posted. And then any other questions, just leave them in the comments. All right, thanks for watching another unboxing. Let's get out there and have a great day. And I'll be back with you with more right here on the Morning Coach YouTube channel.